For those who expect the extraordinary, your aircraft have arrived. Introducing the Praetor 500E and the Praetor 600E. The world's most disruptive and technologically advanced mid-size and super mid-size jets. Now, reimagined for a next-generation cabin experience. With best-in-class performance characteristics and an interior designed for unrivaled cabin comfort. The Praetor 500E optimizes well-being, even at the edge of its range. A next-gen cabin management system gives you intuitive command of the cabin. With all new seats, it's never been easier to lock into relaxation. Productivity feels unforced, and sleep is within easy reach. And when the journey asks for more, the Praetor 600E reimagines the private flight experience. An intuitive cabin management system enables your jet to evolve with you.
Dim the lights.
Comfort is at your command, and productivity is revolutionized with the industry-exclusive Smart Window. Step into a breakthrough immersive zone that introduces an entirely new kind of private jet experience. Track your flight progress. Host virtual meetings in the air. Enjoy video games on your favorite console. Turn the cabin into a cozy movie theater. Or enjoy a cinematic view of the flight. The Embraer Praetor 500E and Praetor 600E. When it lands, you won't want to leave.
Now, joining us to share more about these incredible features is Jay Bieber, Vice President of Embraer Design Operations. Jay.
Thank you so much, Kevin. Really appreciate you being here with us today. And what a day it is. Over 10 years of development, built up anticipation and excitement to be here with you now, to show you deeper into the details of what you just saw in that video. With the Praetor 500E and Praetor 600E, we've completely reimagined the flying experience on board these beautiful aircraft, maximizing your productivity, leisure, and creating a smarter, more connected cabin experience. Specifically, on the Praetor 600E, we've introduced what feels like a third cabin zone experience in a 2-cabin zone aircraft. You saw that happy family. They did not want to leave the airplane. That's the experience. Think of it like a lounge, a versatile space for business, relaxation, and more. The standout feature of this zone, you saw it, a technology never before seen in business aviation, the smart window. This isn't just an ordinary window. It's an interactive, multifunctional experience. Now, at 45,000 feet, via 4K ultra high resolution external cameras, bring the outside in and enjoy real-time views so you can keep your eyes on the sky. Host video conferences with ease. Or simply kick back, watch movies, or play video games from the comfort of the divan across from the smart window. Now, speaking of the divan, it's more than just a seating area. It's actually a lounger, facilitating multiple comfort positions depending on the need. Without the need to reposition cushions when it's time for some shut-eye, this divan bursts into a bed with one smooth action. Now, coming to both the Praetor 500E and Praetor 600E is our next generation cabin management system, complete with integrated in-flight entertainment and lighting controls. We've redesigned the app experience so you can control cabin settings like temperature, lighting, or even audio. Use voice commands with the touch of a button to control a variety of features, including window shades, lighting, video playback, temperature, audio, and flight tracking. For instance, give your Praetor a command. Set cabin preset to working. Now, conveniently located on the side ledge next to each seat is a smart control switch with CMS functionality and wireless charging. A redesigned upper tech panel that offers larger screens and more user interface. By redesigning this upper valence area with the tech panel in it, we've also increased cabin volume, making the space actually larger. And for ambiance, get creative with RGB mood lighting, or play music from your phone via Bluetooth through the award-winning Omnify sound system by Lufthansa Technik. Not bad. On flights lasting 8 or even 9 hours, comfort is critical. So we completely reimagined the cabin for these longer missions, starting with all new proprietary seats, which were completely developed, engineered, certified, designed by Embraer. They really are a work of art, as you can see. Now, featured on this chair, electric assist release. At the touch of a button, it puts many adjustments within easy reach, such as track and swivel, recline, fully adjustable leg rest. Ergonomic improvements like adjustable headrests that move up and down, but also forward and aft. I mean, that's new. And the seat can conform to the body versus you conforming to the seat. Ultimate comfort. Also, as a specification option for these new chairs, you'll have a configurable cushion firmness selection. So you can actually pick the comfort that fits best for you. A new lounge position when you're ready to kick back and rest. And then, when it's time for bed, an improved signature Praetor berthing process enabled by an articulating seat pan for a faster and easier setup. A patented first of its kind ambient air system creates a personalized microclimate around you with whisper quiet delivery and a sleek, gasper-free aesthetic, removing the clutter. Now, moving on with the reimagination of your journey, we've improved the galley to support multiple dining experiences. Expanded storage and larger countertop space. Improved capacity for trash with 30% more. 50% bigger ice drawers. And more room for wine and crystal stowage. A new galley control panel gives you quick access to cabin presets with the same user interface as you're used to now in the cabin. Perfect for molding the environment to your needs or your passenger needs. From creating all new cabin zone experiences for you to introducing the next generation cabin management system and innovative interior designs, we've completely optimized the Praetor 500E and Praetor 600E to take you further in greater comfort, productivity, and of course, style. Thank you.
Man, those jets are next level. So Ricardo, With 8 to 9 hours of range, what can you do with all that time in the cabin?
Kevin, keep in mind the kind of missions you can fly on board these aircraft. On the Praetor 600E, we're talking intercontinental range from London to New York, Dubai to Singapore, or Sao Paulo to Miami, non-stop. On the Praetor 500E, you can reach Los Angeles from New York, Seattle from Miami, and even Sao Paulo to Miami with a single stop. And between the two cities, Kevin, the cabin supports it all. Work conference, watch a full movie, enjoy a meal, your choice.
I love it. Well, Abhijit, building on all that technology, tell us what else is new in the aircraft.
Well, Gavin, our approach was straightforward. We already offer the most technological advanced aircraft in the mid-cabin market, period. To date, the Praetor 500E and the Praetor 600E remain the first and the only aircraft in their categories equipped with full fly-by-wire. So the question became, how do we continue elevating peace of mind while preserving best-in-class performance? Alongside all the enhancements coming to the aircraft, we are introducing ROAS, Runway Overrun Awareness and Alerting System. This technology, which was developed by Embraer and first brought to the Phenom aircraft, integrates seamlessly with the suite of advanced automations on board, from full fly-by-wire to the head-up display, enhanced vision system, and other high-end avionics that we have.
It's incredible.
So, yes, together, these systems bring a new level of situational awareness and operational confidence, especially during the most critical phase of flight,
Right.
the landing.
Landing. Ricardo, you interact with customers on a daily basis. What do these technologies mean for them?
Kevin, for pilots like you, technology like ROAS and full fly-by-wire onboard are a big helping hand. Let me give you a scenario to capture this feeling. Imagine you're going to Ocean Reef for the day. The airport at Ocean Reef Club presents a particularly challenging landing for the pilots. Shorter runway, narrow, which requires precision. With ROAS on board, you can feel confident in your approach to the runway. The technology acts as an extra co-pilot, running calculations in the background and be ready to warn you if it believes you're at risk of overrunning the runway, giving you the opportunity to go around. The low landing speeds enabled by the full fly-by-wire completes the package.
Guys, that's incredible.